Hi, so today we'll be looking at the statics problem, and we have two force couples here, and it wants us to find the magnitude of F so that the resultant couple is 3.5 kilonewton meters clockwise. So first of all, we want to set our positive direction, and that'll be clockwise or counterclockwise. I always set counterclockwise as positive. So knowing this, it's given to us that the moment is 3.5 kilonewton meters, and because that is clockwise, which goes against our counterclockwise positive direction, it will be negative. So the equation that we'll be using today is moment equals force times distance, and this distance here is the distance between the two forces that make up the couple. So for example, we know that these two forces are separated by this distance of 0.9 meters. And then we have this other force couple over here, and it's separated by 0.3. So force couples, you always know that they are equal in magnitude, but they're in opposite directions. And so to solve this problem, we know that the moment will be negative 3.5 kilonewton meters, and that's equal to the sum of moments. So that will be the force multiplied by 0.9 meters, because that's the distance between them. And then we also know that because of the directions of these, you can see that it would push this side of the beam up, this side down. So then you kind of have this direction. And so that is clockwise, which is against our positive direction that we set. So this will be negative. And then next we have the 2 kilonewton couple, and so that will be 2 kilonewtons, and then the distance between those is 0.3 meters. And then as you can see here, this will push the beam like this, which is with our positive direction, so it'll be plus. So then what we end up with is negative 3.5 kilonewton meters equals negative 0.9 meters times the force plus 0.6 kilonewton meters. And then we can simplify this now to negative 3.5 kilonewton meter minus 0.6 kilonewton meter over negative 0.9 meter, and this will be equal to the force. And so plugging this into your calculator, you'll get the force equals 4.56 kilonewtons. All right, this is the answer, and I hope it helped.